Out there in the vast darkness of space, beyond our solar system, lies a world so terrifying that it sounds like something straight out of a nightmare. This planet is known as HD 189733b, and it may be the most dangerous place ever discovered. At first glance, it looks strangely beautiful. A deep, rich blue color wraps around the entire planet, making it resemble Earth from afar. But don't be fooled. This is not an ocean world. This is a planet where death comes in ways we can barely imagine.
HD 189733b is what scientists call a hot Jupiter. That means it's a gas giant, similar in size to Jupiter, but located extremely close to its star, closer than Mercury is to our Sun. Because of this, the planet experiences temperatures of over 1,000 degrees Celsius, or 1,832 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt metal. The side facing its star is constantly burning, while the other side remains in darkness. This creates a phenomenon called tidal locking, where one side of the planet is always facing the star. Imagine standing on a world where one half is an eternal furnace and the other is a freezing, violent storm zone.
If the heat wasn't enough to kill you instantly, the winds certainly would. On HD 189733b, winds can reach speeds of over 8,700 kilometers per hour, 5,400 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound on Earth. These supersonic winds rip across the planet, carrying deadly particles through the atmosphere. There is no calm, no stillness, just endless, violent motion. Storms rage across the surface constantly, with massive clouds swirling in chaotic patterns. Lightning likely flashes across the sky, illuminating the thick atmosphere in terrifying bursts. Now comes the most horrifying part. Scientists believe that it rains glass. Yes, actual glass. Tiny particles of silicate, materials found in sand and glass, are lifted into the atmosphere due to extreme heat. Then, powerful winds hurl these particles sideways across the planet. This isn't gentle rainfall. This is a horizontal storm of razor-sharp glass shards moving faster than bullets. If you were somehow standing there, you wouldn't just feel rain. You would be shredded instantly. The sky on HD 189733b would be unlike anything we've ever seen. On the day side, the star would appear massive, burning intensely in the sky, flooding everything with radiation. The atmosphere would glow with heat, creating an almost apocalyptic view. On the night side, darkness would dominate, but it wouldn't be peaceful. Violent storms would rage endlessly, with flashes of lightning tearing through the sky. The entire planet is a constant battle between fire and darkness. One of the strangest things about HD 189733b is its color. It appears deep blue, similar to Earth, but for a completely different reason. On Earth, the blue color comes from oceans and the scattering of sunlight in our atmosphere. But on this planet, the blue color is likely caused by silicate particles in the atmosphere scattering blue light. So what looks like a calm, ocean-covered world is actually a deadly storm of glass and fire. The short answer? No. There's no solid surface to stand on. The atmosphere is toxic, scorching, and filled with deadly particles. The heat alone would destroy any spacecraft not specifically designed for extreme conditions. Even our most advanced technology today would struggle to survive for long in such an environment. HD 189733b is not just uninhabitable, it is completely hostile to anything we know as life. In a universe filled with billions of planets, HD 189733b stands out as one of the most terrifying. It reminds us that not all worlds are meant to be explored, at least not up close. From glass rain and supersonic winds to extreme heat and eternal storms, this planet pushes the limits of what we thought was possible. And yet, It's just one of many strange and dangerous worlds out there, which raises a chilling question. If this is what we've already discovered, what else is waiting in the dark?